ethanol is the most widely used alcohol. It is used in alcoholic drinks, though it is more important as a solvent, as a fuel, which is a promising biofuel, and also it can be used to produce many other useful organic compounds, such as vinegar production, manufacturing some esters, and many other organic compounds. Let's see how can we produce ethanol. There are two methods of manufacturing ethanol. First one, fermentation of sugar. Second one, hydration of ethene. Glucose will be used by yeast in order to produce energy in the anaerobic respiration. The byproducts it produces will be ethanol and carbon dioxide. So we use this reaction in order to produce ethanol. We need to supply the optimum temperature range for the yeast cells to work. Especially the enzymes in yeast cell work at its optimum conditions between 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. In order to facilitate anaerobic respiration, it's better to have the absence of air. At certain percentage of ethanol produced, the yeast cells die. After that, the mixture is subjected to fractional distillation in order to obtain ethanol. You are not getting pure ethanol, but further purification of this distillate, we can get almost pure ethanol. So as a summary, I can explain you. We use glucose molecules or glucose in order to produce ethanol using the yeast as a catalyst, rather the enzymes of yeast as a catalyst. This produces carbon dioxide as a byproduct and of course energy. The conditions you need to remember: 40 to 30 degrees Celsius and the absence of air. Once ethanol is produced, we have to carry out fractional distillation in order to obtain ethanol. The second method of producing ethanol is hydration of ethene. It is a chemical method rather than a biological method. Ethene is a gas which can be obtained from petroleum, which is also a waste product or a byproduct of cracking. It can be reacted with steam. That means it can be reacted with water molecules in order to obtain ethanol. You can clearly see how these groups are going to get connected to ethene molecule. One of the two hydrogens of the water is connected to one carbon atom, and the OH group from oxygen atom, it is connected to the carbon atom. This is the balanced chemical equation written in short form: ethene, steam, ethanol. There is a set of conditions that you have to maintain for better yield and a faster rate of this reaction. Phosphoric acid as the catalyst. The temperature is above 300 degrees Celsius. Even though there are different resources giving different conditions, especially for temperature, 300 to 500 degrees Celsius are more acceptable. And 60 atmospheric pressure, these are the conditions for hydration. Hydration method has several advantages over the fermentation method. There are disadvantages as well. Hydration is producing much purer ethanol because we are reacting two gases and obtaining ethanol, and you can liquefy. The other advantage is this is not a batch process. This is a continuous process, which means you can keep on adding steam and ethene into the reactor, producing ethanol continuously. Whereas in fermentation, once yeast cells have been killed due to high concentration of ethanol, you have to restart the process from another batch of the raw material. Those are the two main advantages. And also, this is a faster process, giving you higher yield than fermentation. What are the disadvantages? This method needs higher temperature and higher pressure compared to fermentation. Therefore, the energy cost is higher. The phosphoric acid, which is a chemical catalyst used in this method, is hazardous, and also it is more expensive than the use of yeast. So these are the two methods we have just finished discussing about manufacturing ethanol. First one is the fermentation and the hydration. So please take your crash course tube, go to page number 3, complete that page regarding the comparison between these two methods. You can use your textbook or any other relevant reference and complete the task. Hope you understood manufacturing ethanol. Thank you.